Now we will start programming the relay outputs in TIS bus. Find the relay module from the device list and open it by double-clicking on it. In General Information, write the device comment, for example, Relay A in ground floor. Go to the Channels tab and press Comments. Write the comment for each channel according to where the load is connected, and select the room where this load is located. You can press the test button to test the relay on or off. If you are alone on the project and cannot find the light, you can start testing the channel by pressing the Start Test button. The light will begin flashing on and off so you can walk around the project to locate it. Once you find it, press Stop Test and write the light comment. Switching on delay. This setting is used to always add a delay before the relay turns on. The delay is measured in seconds. Protection delay. This setting protects devices such as heating systems, boilers, refrigeration units, and pumps from being turned on and off continuously. Some devices may be damaged if they are switched on again without a proper delay after being turned off. This delay is calculated in minutes. Auto release. If you are controlling an electric strike or gate motor, you do not need the relay to stay activated continuously. Enable the auto release function and select whether the time is in seconds or minutes. Then enter the required time for the relay to release automatically. Scene. You can create a special scene such as Scene 1 to turn on all channels in the relay. Press Scene Resume to configure the Restore After Blackout setting. You can set it to Scene 0. This means all channels will turn off when power is restored after a blackout. Set it to Scene 1 or any other scene to turn on specific lights. Or choose the third option to resume lights based on their last known status. Energy section. You can enter the wattage consumption for each channel. This allows the module to calculate the daily and monthly energy consumption of each channel when it is turned on. Repeat the same settings for each relay module. For relays located behind smart switches such as the Venera switch, open the switch by double-clicking it and go to the Digital Output tab. Select the mode as Lights, enter the channel comment, and assign it to a room. You can enable auto-release if needed and set the release time. You can also configure the Restore After Blackout setting as well as the energy settings. Everything you have configured in the relays will be added automatically to the project database. You can view all settings by selecting Project Config and checking all the channels assigned under each room.